What's up, guys? Running this mini to fill 9 teams for break number 255, which is a 15-16 inner of ice. We've got 20 spots. We're going to go 5 times in the top 9 teams. Top 9 people are going to pick through the teams. We've got Anaheim, Calgary, Carolina, Nashville, New York Rangers, Ottawa, San Jose, Vancouver, and Washington up for grabs. So I'm going to copy the 20 names. Scroll down. Post live in the thread. It was posted at 7:53. It is 7:53. We're going over to random.org. We've got 5 times. We've got our 20 names. We're going to go 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy the timestamp. Post it over into the thread. It was posted at 7:54. It is 7:54. Back over to random.org. 5th and final. Good luck to everyone. Top 9. We've got Frankie, Maxim, Daryl, Maxim, John, Maxim, and Hank. Congratulations, guys. Copy the final timestamp. Post it over into the thread. It was posted at 7:54. It is 7:54. There we go. Thanks, guys, and congrats to the top 9.